I, Lal Hare Murari Nath Sadev, welcome you back, students of Standard 6, to your practice book, Unit 2, the topic regular and irregular verbs. Students, we have already completed worksheets up to 10. Now it's the time to start from 11 and to come up to worksheet number 15. Now, what is here in worksheet number 11? You see, given below is a newspaper report about Cinderella's wedding with the prince, but it has not been edited. Read the news and correct the errors. The first one has been done for you. The London Times, 11th August Sunday. Royal couple wed amidst celebrations. London, 9th August. The prince and Cinderella get married in the royal church with the bless of the king. Bless of the king. Princess Cinderella weared a pink dress and holded a bouquet of red roses in her hand. Her jewels seemed like stars. The prince too looked stunning. They taked the wedding vows and put it rings on each other's fingers. The priest blessed the royal couple. After the wedding, the king threw a lavish party. Now you have to find out the mistakes. Suppose first one has been done, gated, it has to be corrected, and so the term you have to use for gated is got. The second number, bless, it has to be changed into blessing. Now the fourth number, weird, instead of weird you have to use were, W-R-E, were. Holded, in place of holded you have to use held. Sinned, instead of it you have to use shown, S-H-O-N-E, shown. Looked, L-O-O-K-T, looked, you have to write L-O-O-K-E-D, looked. In sound it may be called L-O-O-K-E-D, looked, but in spelling at least it has to be written L-O-O-K-E-D, looked. That's why you have to be careful here. Stunning is to be changed into stunned. Taked, T-A-K-E-D, taked. It has to be given the the right past form, that is took. Putted, P-U-T-T-E-D, putted, instead of it you have to write put. Throwed, you have to write through. Now see next. Now worksheet number 12. The pictures given below show what Nikki did yesterday. Taking clues from the box given below, complete the sentences. The first one has been done for you. Now what is number one that has already been done? Nikki woke up at 7:15 a.m. Now 12 you have to see. Now second number, she had her breakfast at 7:30. Third number, she went to school at 8 a.m. AM stands for anti-meridian. Fourth number, she had her lunch at 1 p.m. Fifth number, she came back home at 4:30. Sixth number, she had her dinner at 8 p.m. post meridian. 7. She went to her bed at 9 p.m. Now, this is how you have to do this worksheet very efficiently. Now, it's the turn for worksheet number 13. Read the following example. Cinderella's stepsisters wore new dresses at the party. Cinderella did not wear a new dress at the party. Given below are some things that Cinderella's stepsisters did, whereas she did not do. Taking hints from the above example, complete the following statements. The first one has been done for you. Number 1. Cinderella's stepsisters went to the king's party. Now, how you have to change it into negative, you see. Cinderella did not go to the king's party. Now, next number. Now, second number, Cinderella's stepsisters ate delicious food. Cinderella did not eat delicious food. Now, third number, Cinderella's stepsisters went to sleep late in the night. Cinderella did not go to sleep late in the night. Fourth number, Cinderella's stepsisters woke up late in the morning. Cinderella did not wake up late in the morning. Fifth number, Cinderella's stepsisters fought with their mother. Cinderella did not fight with her mother. Sixth number, Cinderella's stepsisters got plenty of money to spend. Cinderella did not get plenty of money to spend. Seventh number, Cinderella's stepsisters met their friends frequently. Here the answer, Cinderella did not meet her friends frequently. Last number, Cinderella's stepsisters spent money freely. Cinderella did not spend money freely. This is how you have to use negative sentences for these positive sentences. Now look at, did you notice that all the sentences that you have written are negative using did not? We do not use the past tense of verbs with did. Cinderella's sister brought a new dress. Cinderella did not buy a new dress. When we use did, in that case, the first form of the verb is used. So you must be careful about it. Now come to this worksheet number 14. What is here? Given below is the picture of the guest room where the thief who stole the necklace stayed. Observe the picture carefully and write your observations in the space given below. You may take help from the verbs given in the box. Do not forget to use did not in your observations. The first one has been done for you. Now this box, help box, can be used here. The clues, the phrases are given here. Close the door, switch off the fan, pack the suitcase, eat the ice cream, shut the window, drink the cola, read the newspaper, throw away the banana peel, wipe the floor clean. Now look at what will be the answers. One is already done. He did not close the door. Second number, he did not switch off the fan. He did not pack the suitcase. Fourth number, he did not eat the ice cream. Fifth number, he did not shut the window. Sixth number, he did not drink the cola. Seventh number, he didn't read the newspaper. 8th number, he didn't throw away the banana peel. Ninth number, he didn't wipe the floor clean. This is how you have to do this worksheet. Now come to worksheet number 15. In the box given below, regular verbs and irregular verbs have got mixed up. Separate them and put them into appropriate boxes. Also, write their simple past forms. Jumbled verbs are look, eat, build, take, carry, pray, forget, buy, study, write, divide, rob, ride, enjoy, worry, flow, catch, drop, feel, write. Now see how you have to do here. Here you are looking at two boxes, one for regular verbs, another for irregular verbs. Each of these boxes has two columns. On one side you have to write verb and on the other the past form of the verbs. In the next one, irregular verbs, again you have two columns. On the first side you have to write verb, on the second side past form. Now let us see which are regular verbs and which are irregular. Number 1, look, looked, build, built, pray, prayed, study, studied, divide, divided, rob, robbed, enjoy, enjoyed, worry, worried, drop, dropped. Now irregular verbs you see, second number, irregular verbs. Eat, ate, take, took, forget, forgot, buy, bought, write, wrote, ride, rode, flow, flew, catch, caught, feel, felt. This is how you have to fill in the blanks. Students, I have tried to explain everything very neatly. I expect that you must have understood and you must be able to note down the answers from this video, from my voice recorder. But even if suppose you get some problem, as you have been complaining, some parents also have been saying these students are students of standard 6, not not 9 or 10. I don't say you are students of 9 or 10, but must remember one thing, that you have to keep pace with your syllabus. Whether you are the students of 9 or 10 or not, that is not my question. You are students of standard 6 and so you have to keep pace with the requirement of standard 6. Try to ameliorate yourself. Don't try to drag your teachers down and get destroyed both of the teacher and taught. It's better to try hard and come up to the expectation of DAV CMC so that we can be well benefited. If you have any problem, then PDF is also following this video. So you must see in your description box and then use that link which is given at the bottom of the video in the form of PDF, and then note down the answers from that PDF if you are unable to make your own note from this voice recording system or from what we call the video. It's all right. Bye for the day. Let's wait for the next video to come and then we will discuss the remaining things of this unit, and then we will take up either any other unit or we will go back to literature book. There we will see the third chapter. It's all right. Thank you.